Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm actually going to be showing off some samples that I got from Teespring. I ended up making my own design for Teespring to sell online. So I decided to go ahead and get me a sample shirt first. I got two different sample shirts and I wanted to go ahead and just do an unboxing and check out the quality. I have not checked them out yet, so this will be a real unboxing. Nothing fake. So they came in this bag, and I am going to go ahead and open this up and see how these joints came out. If you are interested in making your own store, though, you can find out how to do that with this video card that should be popping up right about now. So let's go ahead and open this up. Tear this off. So it came in two separate bags inside of the bag. I was kind of worried about that for a second. I got one. I got two. I got more than one. What the crap? It ain't mine. Well, never mind. This ain't my bag. This is my wife's bag. I was too confused in the excitement to actually read it. So I'm gonna come back when I actually get it, hopefully later on today. And well, I mean, I guess we look at whatever my wife got. I guess she got a shirt here, got another shirt. Nobody cares what she got. All right, so check this one. This one actually has my name on it. So go ahead and open this up, but this seems a little small for two shirts, right? So I guess they are shipping the other one separately. Seems weird that they would do. I got both of them at the same time, so that seems weird. But all the same, let's go ahead and open up and try to figure out which one this is. Hell, there you have it. Yeah, so this is just the regular large. So I'm still waiting for the XL. This is the premium shirt. I mean, it feels pretty good. I'm assuming this is cotton. It looks small though. It looks like a medium. Probably comes to my waist. So I'm going to take a second to put this on and then try to figure out how I think it looks on me. So overall, what do I think of this shirt? I think it's pretty good. Other than the words, like I have like a little gradient effect right here, which you can see, but it's a little, when you going a little closer, it's a little grainier than I would have wanted. I wanted this to be a little smoother. So right now I'm thinking, I'm trying to figure out if this is on my fault or is it about Teespring. So I got to figure that out, which is, the point of why you buy sample shirts anyway, so you can figure out stuff like this and then make some changes to it if need be. Also, I'm going to make these words a little bigger, just because I want it to be a little bigger, and that's it. Other than that, I'll be perfectly fine with this. I already got the shirt shop up. Hey, I got a white and black one just like this, and I'm going to be doing very soon, probably before you even see this video, I'll be doing a black shirt with white text. So you'll see those three shirts up there, and they'll be in a t-shirt, they'll be in a tank top for men and women. So if you're feeling inclined to check out the t-shirts and support, then feel free. And like I was saying before, you can check out my other video that shows how to design a shirt with Teespring. I'm also going to be making a video very soon on how to design your shop, your Teespring store, so it don't just look very plain. So hopefully the information is useful to you, and if it was, why don't you go ahead and like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out from me, because I make new videos every week. And thanks for watching.